Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can track package on UPS, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So right over here you can see I'm on the UPS website. What you're going to do is you're going to do the same. You're going to go to your browser, type in ups.com and get in their website. You can also open up your app as well. As soon as you open up the website, you're going to go ahead sign in if you would prefer. Otherwise, you can see the option of track, quote, and ship. We're going to go to the track section, and we just have to make sure that we add the correct tracking number, which you will receive after the shipment has been done from the UPS itself. So if you would like to track your package but you do not have the tracking number, then make sure you contact the UPS and check out the tracking number. Ask them to provide it to you if you haven't received, or check your emails. They might have emailed you as well and you might have forgotten. Then once you get your particular tracking code, you're going to add your tracking number right over here. Tap on next, and then you're good to go. Your track of the parcel will appear over here. You can see where it is, how long it will take, where it has passed, and etc. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.